Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Looking to create large, high-quality 3D prints without breaking the bank? The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an open-frame 3D printer designed for makers who want big results at a modest price. With a generous 15.2 x 12.6 x 12.6 inch build volume, it allows you to bring your creative ideas to life on a scale that's rare for sub-$500 printers. In our testing, the Neptune 4 Plus produced over 20 prints with generally excellent quality, demonstrating consistent performance across multiple filament types. Setup is straightforward for anyone willing to assemble the printer themselves. Its open-frame design keeps motors, belts, cables, print bed, and extruder visible, making it ideal for beginners who want to understand the 3D printing process. Just be sure to add at least one filament spool to your order, or choose a bundle that includes filament, to start printing right away. The Neptune 4 Plus supports a wide range of materials, including ABS, PLA, PTG, nylon, ASA, and TPU, making it versatile for various projects. The printer features a single extruder, a 100-micron top resolution, and convenient interfaces via USB thumb drive or Wi-Fi. Weighing 32 pounds and measuring 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 inches, it fits comfortably on a sturdy table or bench. Perfect for cash-strapped hobbyists and 3D printing beginners, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus combines affordability, versatility, and large-format printing capabilities, all backed by a 1-year warranty on parts and labor. Elevate your 3D printing game without stretching your budget. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a compact, budget-friendly 3D printer that brings multicolor printing to your desktop without breaking the bank. With an optional add-on module, it can print using any or all 4 filament colors, making creative, multicolor projects simple and fun. Despite its small size, the A1 Mini produces high-quality prints at a surprisingly fast speed, delivering reliable results every time. Setup is nearly effortless. The printer comes mostly pre-assembled, allowing beginners to get started quickly without frustration. Its intuitive interface and straightforward operation make it ideal for first-time users. During testing, the A1 Mini proved problem-free, generating consistent, visually appealing prints. The 4-color module adds versatility for more complex designs, letting you experiment with multicolor creations that would typically require multiple prints. Budget-minded hobbyists will also appreciate the A1 Mini's excellent value. Priced under $400 for the combo version, it's one of the lowest-cost 4-color FDM printers on the market. Its closed-frame design ensures stable printing conditions, supporting materials like PLA, PTG, TPU, and PVA. With a 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 mm build area and 100-micron top resolution, it can handle a variety of small to medium projects with precision. Weighing just 12.12 pounds and measuring 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 inches, the A1 Mini is compact enough for any workspace. Wi-Fi and microSD card connectivity make file transfer convenient. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable, easy-to-use, multicolor 3D printer perfect for beginners and hobbyists alike. Number 3. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max delivers fast, precise, and professional-grade 3D printing, making it an ideal choice for hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. This resin-based SLA printer excels at creating everything from detailed miniatures to large-scale models with exceptional accuracy. Its innovative automatic resin handling streamlines the printing process, keeping messy steps out of sight so you can focus on producing high-quality prints. Designed with precision in mind, the M7 Max features a powerful light source system capable of handling calibration files down to 10 microns, ensuring crisp details and flawless surfaces. Its large 11.7 x 6.4 x 11.8 inch build area accommodates a wide range of projects, from small collectibles to sizable prototypes. Remote monitoring via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or USB allows you to manage prints conveniently from anywhere. The M7 Max is built to appeal to both professionals and enthusiasts. Professionals will appreciate its industrial-level reliability, fine detail capabilities, and suitability for rapid prototyping and short-run manufacturing. Hobbyists and artists will enjoy the sub-$1000 price, intuitive user interface, and hands-off resin management, making high-quality SLA printing accessible and enjoyable. Weighing 52.91 pounds and enclosed in a sleek, closed-frame design, the Photon Mono M7 Max combines safety, stability, and precision. With a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, this 3D printer offers exceptional value, making it a standout option for anyone looking to elevate their resin printing projects. Achieve professional quality results with minimal effort and maximum reliability. Number 4. Entina Tina2. The Entina Tina2 is the perfect entry-level 3D printer for beginners, kids, or anyone curious about 3D printing without committing to a high price tag. Designed with simplicity and safety in mind, this transparent, compact printer provides an excellent hands-on introduction to STEM concepts. Setup is easy and educational, making it ideal for parents or educators looking to share the excitement of 3D printing with younger learners. Despite its small footprint, the Tina2 packs a punch for its target audience. With a measured bed size of 120 mm x 100 mm and a maximum extruder temperature of 245 degrees Celsius, it's perfectly suited for printing toys, figurines, and small creative projects. While the build volume is smaller than many resin printers, it encourages experimentation and creativity in a safe, manageable way. A standard benchy print completes in just 91 minutes, giving quick results that are both satisfying and fun. The Tina2 deliberately removes complex extra features, focusing instead on ease of use, reliability, and affordability. It's a great choice for budget-conscious beginners or anyone seeking a low-maintenance 3D printer that works right out of the box. While it doesn't offer top-tier print resolution, it delivers consistent, functional prints suitable for educational and recreational purposes. Weighing in as a compact, beginner-friendly option, the Entina Tina2 combines simplicity, value, and strong support resources, making it an ideal first 3D printer. Ignite creativity, foster STEM learning, and enjoy a low-stress introduction to the world of 3D printing. Number 5. Flashforge Adventurer 5M. The Flashforge Adventurer 5M is the perfect introduction to 3D printing, offering a seamless and enjoyable plug-and-play experience for beginners and hobbyists alike. Designed with ease of use in mind, this fully enclosed 3D printer combines safety, convenience, and precision, making it an excellent choice for home, classroom, or office use. With a generous 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume, the Adventurer 5M is capable of producing a wide range of objects, from toys and household gadgets to intricate prototypes. Its fully enclosed design ensures stable printing conditions and reduces risks from hot components, making it safer for younger users or shared spaces. The PEI build plate provides excellent adhesion and effortless print removal, simplifying the post-printing process. The Adventurer 5M features a quick-release nozzle for fast swaps, auto-leveling for consistent first layers, and cloud control capabilities for monitoring and managing prints remotely. These features allow both beginners and more experienced users to enjoy reliable prints with minimal setup or intervention. Whether you're just starting your 3D printing journey or looking for a convenient, low-stress printer for everyday projects, the Flashforge Adventurer 5M delivers exceptional value. Its combination of user-friendly features, safety-focused design, and reliable performance ensures you can focus on creating, experimenting, and learning with ease. Elevate your 3D printing experience today with the Adventurer 5M, where convenience meets quality.